Come on, Cold Money, don't scam me. Don't scam me, Cold Money.
Yes, let this be it.
Oh, bro, they gave me this ultra rare 3 times, bro. No, twice. What in the world?
Oh, they scamming.
Come on with this.
Bro, they gave me this card like
4 times. He ought to be out of there. It's still 2 more in the box. What the?
Sable Dragon.
Come on, give him to me. This gotta be it.
Fucking Samorg.
They scamming big time. Come on, Cold Money. Don't hold out on me.
Yes, let's go, baby. Now I can reset the box.
That's all I wanted. Hold on, let me make sure. Yeah. Alright, reset the box.
Alright, back to square one. If I can at least get one more
Archfiend and then another launcher. Probably will be okay, I guess. I was excited to get that one Archfiend, bruh. Let's see if we can look up and get a second one. Come on, give me a launcher.
Yes, another launcher.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. Give me some good luck. Yes. A launcher? No. God dang it. What's this? Oh, nothing. Bro, I keep getting that performer payout card at the end. A rare? Yeah. What's this? Oh, this is a rare. No? Secret rare.
Launcher?
No.
God dang it.
Down to 3,000. Let's see what they give us. Damn, have we touched any of the ultra rares? We have not touched any ultra rares. We have yet to touch an ultra rare. A weather canvas.
So we got 3 of those.
Alright. Uh-oh. Ultra rare.
Got one ultra out of the way.
What's this?
Let's see. Oh, it's nothing.
Ooh, what's this? What is this? Nothing. Come on, baby.
One more Archfiend is all I want.
I like this little Kyber court building right here. It's cool.
What is this?
Is this for me? Is this what I need? No, it's not what I need. Come on.
Is this it?
No, this is probably launcher. Or Naturia. Oh, Ribbon of Rebirth. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. Another randomizer. Thinking about running randomizer at 1, maybe. We'll see. Come on, Archfiend, where are you?
We fast approaching 2,000
gems. Hope that is not at the bottom of the box. Pretty much down to our last little bit. Come on, Archfiend, where are you? Is this it? No, this is a secret, super rare. Yeah. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I wish I could just smell the pack right now. Is this it? Is this it? Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Got the second one, you guys. We got the second one. Now we just need a third one. So now what I'm going to do is just reset the box at this point, because we have our third launcher. We have our second INFERNITY ARCHFIEND. So now we'll just use the 2 packs, last 2 packs. And to see, you know, if we get lucky. Probably won't. It's a big box, so it probably won't give us anything.
Okay. Odd eyes.
Last pack. Last pack, you guys. Nope, nothing.
Alright.